Nagsalita na ang singer na si Reyla Tumakin matapos malink siya sa basketballistang si Kobe Paras. Si Reyla kasi ang tinutukoy ng ilang netizens na bagong girl umano ni Kobe naka-holding hands habang nagbakasyon sa Bali, Indonesia. Makikita sa video na ipinost ng record label na OC Records sa TikTok kamakailan lang na nakapanayam ng ilang reporters si Reyla at doon ay diretsahang tinanong ang dalaga kung ano ang real score nila ng basketballista. Sa naturang panayam, inamin ni Reyla na magkaibigan lang daw sila ni Kobe. Anya, Kobe is such a great guy and a very good friend, but that's about it. Tinanong din si Reyla tungkol sa ibinibintang ng ilang fans na siya raw ang third party sa hiwalayan ni Kobe Paras at Kylene Alcantara.
So how do you find yung mga accusations or online na ikaw yung third party?
Yes.
So, here's the thing. Gets ko naman yung mga tao kasi I get how easily it could be misunderstood. And I don't want to invalidate anyone's feelings because as Filipinos, the way we have that like, oh, 3-month rule type of thing. But it's 2025, guys, and we have same-day delivery now. It's not international shipping anymore. But yeah, I don't want to disrespect anyone by saying what like their feelings wasn't valid, but for me personally, I really wasn't trying to insert myself or hurt anyone's feelings. It was just a matter of same place, same time. We had a simple moment, and I don't read too much into it. That was simply it. Yeah.
Matatanda ang nagsimula ang chikang naghiwalay na sina Kobe at Kylene nang mapansin ng mga taga-suporta nila na naka-unfollow na sila sa isa't isa sa Instagram. Kasunod nito ay nag-viral ang mga litrato ni Kobe na may ka-holding hands na ibang babae sa Bali. Nag-trending din si Reyla matapos mapansin ng netizens ang isa sa mga posts niya sa TikTok na may parehong background ng naging post ni Kobe sa Instagram. Sa hiwalay na post ng OC Records sa TikTok ay inamin ng singer na hindi niya kilala si Kylene dahil Disney Channel, Nickelodeon at Cartoon Network ang pinapanood niya growing up sa Dubai. Kaya naman nagbigay siya ng mensahe para sa aktres.
I wish her all the best. I wish her more projects, more love, more happiness. Because girls usually get the blunt edge of scrutiny, no? Grabe, yung usually yung mga lalaki, they get away scot-free. But tayo, grabe yung bash, grabe yung... Like, people are so critical. In my TikTok, I had like 2 nails missing and everyone was like, oh my god, she's so chata. And I was like, okay guys, relax. My nail lady is busy pa. Right? It's like, grabe, it's so critical. People are so critical with women. So, I wish her all the best because at the end of the day, we all have our own blessings. Like, I wish her all the blessings in the world. And I have my own.
Si Reyla Tumakin ay isang singer under ng OC Records na pagmamay-ari ng celebrity couple na sina China Hortaleza at Kian Cipriano.